Hey guys, what is up? It's Ewan. Up today I'm gonna show you a setup for the Yeebras, how to get a splash mode working for Yeebras and all that. So we'll just start off by going through the GUI. First of all, you got email and key. That's pretty self-explanatory. We have the site key. So for splash mode, you won't need to put a site key in, because the task automatically fetches it. However, for product mode, you do need it. Caught by using password, but self-explanatory. Price, I would recommend putting price for 250. Cart selling at 250 USD is what I plan to be selling my own for. Then here we've got the splash, the most important bit. You want to set your region. This overrides everything in your task. So it won't use this, it will use this for every single task. And then here we have the URL. For a yeezy drop, it will look something like this. But just for demos purposes, we're using the demo splash. I've got my manual capture enabled just for this demo. I'm not sending to Discord, or I haven't got the account gen, because that's not needed. So then for my task, this is US because it gets overridden by the region. And then we have the SKU. This is a capture item, size 11.5. This actually needs changing. We'll make that a 9. Guess true, proxy false, I'm not running. Capture true, obviously, copy false. So let's open up our bot. Start Splashforce. Start yeezy splash mode. We'll just run 10 to get through it quickly. Okay, here we go. So it looks like we've passed through a splash. So let's just take a look at that. It's fetched the HMAC on the page source. This applies for EU regions. It's found the client ID, so in case you want to check stock or something. It's found the site key. I have updated the demo splash to have the newest site key and launched capture engine. You see this error here, could not start manual capture harvester. Another Splashforce process may be running on the system. That's only because you can only have one of these open at a time. And that is just there just like as a fail safe, but it's not like you don't need to worry about this error if you've already got one open. So let's submit a capture, and there we go. We successfully caught the product in size 9, and now we just gotta wait for it to load. Here we go. So that's how it works, but you'll probably be sitting on Splash a bit longer. And also I just want to talk about some expectations for the drop. If we're looking at 4,000 pairs on EU, which I suspect is true, and probably the same on US, the drop is only going to last about 20 minutes, and you may not be able, most people are unable to cop, because you're going to have every single Splashforce user on the splash page, plus all the normal users, plus all the other bot users. And especially for US, if there's there's 10 times the amount of people on EU, it'll be an incredibly difficult drop. So I'd recommend looking forward to the Beluga 2.0s, and if you cop on the frozen yellows, it is pure luck, and you've got a big come up on a $1,000 sneaker. So that'll be all. Please put all questions in chat. I'll be around most of the day to help out. Peace.